Hey DIY Squad, it's me, Emma from Emma's Exciting Life. And since I hit 103 subscribers, thanks to all of you, I'm going to be doing a Q&A. First question goes to Emily, who said, "What's your favorite animal?" My favorite animal is a fox, and thank you, Emily, so much for asking. Now, next question goes to Piper and Lev. Their question was, Emma's Exciting Life, where are you from? Now, I'm from the Dominican Republic, so my next question goes to Addison Tinker. Now, she asked, do you like art a lot? Yes, I do. My passion is to paint and to do DIYs, so thank you so much for asking. And is this why you do these videos? Is her next question. Yes, this is why I do this channel. It is pretty much just to do DIYs and show other people what I love to do in my spare time. Thank you so much for asking. Now, next question goes to Teresa. Now, Teresa asks, Emma's Exciting Life, what do you want to do when you're an adult? Now, I don't know if you guys know this, but I really like to be an art teacher because I really enjoy doing art. But one of my main passions is to do and become a marine biologist. I've always liked aquatic animals and I love the ocean, so I would love to be a marine biologist, and that's one of my dream jobs. So thank you so much for asking, Teresa. Now, one of my last questions is from Liam. Congratulations, Liam. You are my last chosen Q&A person. So thank you so much for commenting and asking me, where do you find your inspiration? Now, see, my inspiration comes mainly from what I think. Sometimes I just think, oh, I should do this art project, and I just do it. Other times I watch the channel 5 Minute Crafts Teens. If you have not seen that channel or you don't know the channel, look it up and subscribe. It's a great channel. It's similar to mine, but they do a lot of recipes and other things that I don't do on this channel. So if you guys want me to make a part 2, please comment down below on my last video. Now, if you guys like this channel and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I hope to do another Q&A with you guys soon. If this channel gets to 110 subscribers, I will do a part 2. Comment down below your questions and I'll be sure to answer them in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and bye!